Hi, Big Poppa here. And you know, when you get to be my age, you have to start going to the doctor. They've cut me down to one steak, and I didn't say how big. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this bone-in ribeye. And what I love about it is that I get a chance to caramelize and cook this. I'm gonna try and show you cooking outside with the Santa Maria grill, how I can cook this so it's bumper to bumper pink. A lot of people wanna cook this steak and can't figure out how. So one way is to kind of do like most restaurants do, is in the oven and then on a cast iron pan. But we're gonna do it Santa Maria style because this to me is the very best way of cooking a steak. Okay, we're gonna season this now. Let's start here. We got our cash cow. This is our base rub right here. It's a thick steak. We don't mind being a little generous with it. I'm gonna pound that in pretty good. Flip over. So here we go with a little double secret. This is the first steak rub I made. We're gonna flip this over and we're gonna put some more rub here. Now you see this looks like a lot of rub, but it's a big piece of meat. Now what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna let this sit. Let it get to kind of room temperature. The salt's gonna pull the juices of the meat up. It's gonna liquefy the salt. When this is nice and shiny and the salt has done its thing with the juices in the meat, we're gonna put it on the Santa Maria grill. We got a bed of coals that we made earlier. We got some live fire going because we like fire. Now I'm gonna show you the temperature for Santa Maria. You put your hand directly under the grill. Be careful not to touch it. And you count to 5, okay? If it's 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is perfect right there. Because 10 would have killed me. I'm gonna take my petite doctor's order steak. I'm gonna set my timer for 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna turn it. And you know what I'm gonna do now? Absolutely nothing. Okay, this is getting really beautiful, this big old bone-in ribeye. But I'm gonna give it some of the double secret butter. Look at that. Let's just see what the other side's looking like. See, we're starting to get that beautiful caramelization. Okay, here we go. Let's check the temperature here. I want to pull this around 125. Yeah, 124, 123. And I'm going to drop it down into the fire for a few minutes. This is the damnation setting. Okay, I think we're done. We'll let this thing rest for a while. All I can say is, wow. We cooked this on the Santa Maria. It took about 90 minutes. When it got really close to the finishing internal temperature, I got out some double secret butter. I basted it. I dropped it down into the heat and I gave it a beautiful sear. Let's see how we did. I think we're gonna be okay, but I'm gonna find the grain here. Grain's here, so I'm gonna go like this. You know, you gotta be quiet here because it's a reverent moment of barbecue. Santa Maria style bone-in ribeye. Double secret butter. Let's see how long it lasts.